in the contacts area, let me pull up a presidential one again. So let me just pull up this one. So these 4 fields right here, category, type, status, and milestone. If you change any of those 4 fields, if I change the category, the type, the status, or the milestone, that information gets saved. I guess let me go back in there. Sorry. That information gets saved, and in the important dates, actually, I'm hiding those. We now have 4 special system dates. You can't assign them yourself, but they can be put onto the contact record. Let me go into setup, options, and date fields. And in here, add date fields. We've got category change. Actually, I probably added the other ones already. Category change, status change date, milestone change date. These different change date fields are now available. And whenever you have them in your system, if you need to set up a routine, say I change the status of a listing from active to pending. Well, maybe you want to do something. You can now do that based off of the status change date field. So some automation now can be done based off of those different fields. Go to the listing and say status change pending. So the status change date can now be used. What I did was if I change the status field of a listing, I'm in the listing section here, and I'm choosing the status change date. I've also set up a condition in here that says if the status equals pending, then I want this routine to happen. So if I go in and I create a listing and I change the status from active to pending, then this routine, because it keys off of the status change date, it looks to see, oh, it is pending, then it will start these different actions for you. So now you can get very sophisticated in what you do by creating more routines that do things not just on, well, it is on a date field, but it's on the change of a other type of field. That makes sense? If that doesn't make sense, I'll try to explain it better. So if I go into my properties here, let me go to market here. And in market, I'm going to go to listing. And in listing, I'm going to change the status here to pending. Okay. As soon as I change it to pending, then the date field for status pending does its thing. And if I go over here to calendar now, you'll see update notes on status change. This actually did something because I changed the date, or changed the status from active to pending, or from whatever. So now you can make it do things based off of changing a status, a category, on a contact, or some of the other ones.